we got this card game. Let's see if we can open it. Because it has tape on it. Oh, maybe this rain. Yeah, they're putting duct tape on it. But, I was trying. So these are the two scoopers, like Mickey Mouse. Froggy! Froggy, Froggy! And this thing. Oh, what these are. Anywhere you want. Okay. So, let's get going with these frogs. So, ow! Ooh, this sounds good. So you put these on there. There should be instructions. Then they would rig this game if there's no instructions. So I know already to put, facing out one. Okay. Yeah, Papa? So you put this on, this facing the side. So yeah, it's pretty cool. That is not the best thing for you, but you still see it, right? I have one more space. Okay, so this thing goes in the current. So there's an opening, but you open it. I guess we put stickers anywhere we want. Lily pad. Maybe on here. The Game of Bros. Where should I put this? Maybe like near the front. That's perfect. So now we have to get these spinning things. No Bob. I'm so happy we get to decorate. Yeah, this is a good game. We got this all from Temu. Warning, the dinosaur one doesn't really work that good, but I would rather you still get it. It's good. No, I mean that one right there. Can you see? Yeah, this game. Yeah, it's not really the best. So yeah. Let's put it near. And then the crown. You go beside it. Good. Also the spin. Okay. Decorator. You also have to bring like yes. That's bad. I'm still decorating. If they say my stupid name one more time, I'm gonna die. I'm videoing. Please don't come here. I'm actually making a video. So this is another lily pad. Sorry, that's my friend. Sorry about that noise. I'm trying to video. Would you mind being quiet? Your dad is loud. Can you try being a little quieter, please? Can you tell your parents to be a little quieter? Mommy, Papa, guys, be quiet. They're just posting a video. And one last sticker. Sorry about that ugly sound. Ow. Yes, I believe there's an turn on button somewhere. Do we need stupid batteries for this? Oh, guys, we need batteries. Wait, does this need battery? That does not work. It's deadly. I tried fixing it. It did not work. So guys, we got the screwdriver finally. We can make it work. Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Can it move still? No. Yeah? Don't touch it real quick. Why? I don't know. It's for our thing. We don't let no one touch it. Only my family members. Guys, it's pretty hard. What's hard? I'll just put. What are these little froggies? Are you done doing? Don't. There it is. Don't you please do that. Or maybe my dad charged that one. So yeah. I can screw that back on. No, I know how to. See this thingy-mabob? Screwdriver. Can't put it in because of these. Yeah. Just turn. And then don't touch it with anything. I tested it with my water bottle. Now we close it completely. Guys, we got it finally. Let me see. Damn, not working either. Maybe it needs the frogs. Maybe. Wait, what's that game, Marisol? The game of frogs? I put the batteries in, it's not working. Who removed my nail? I put the 3 batteries that work, and they're not working.
Maybe you put it, not the real thing, the position of the battery. It's positive. You need to remove it.
I'm just seeing the box. I need to see how. Oh, so I just keep the frog too.
So where's that thing here?
Ma, there's a screwdriver in it.
Where? Remove it.
Let me do it. I got it. Yeah. one of them moved.
So positive here, okay.
Could I turn it on? Okay. It's annoying, the sound. Is there any lower? Can you lower the volume? Okay, that's Robo Trigger.
How's your score, Marisol?
See, it's working now.
Okay, I'm done then. Do they explode? No. Do they pop out of the... Maybe the big one.
It's okay, don't close it. Just do it.
Okay, so guys, let's put this on. Maybe this one pops off. I'm not sure. No, these. No, they do.
Rocco, you want chicken nuggets?
They do.
Okay, sama
I
you.
want chicken nuggets.
You want chicken nuggets? I can make now.
No.
Hey, Marisol, if you try,
No. Already had.
you can have more.
I don't want any more. If they pop again, I'm gonna be mad. Wait. So they pop.
Okay,
So
go ready.
Rocco?
Rocco, you need to touch.
Oh, okay. Can I try? No. Okay, go beside me. Okay, that's you. Hey, you forgot a froggy. Yeah, it's because there's not enough room. So ready? Oh, yeah, no, Rocco. When you pop it, you have to try catching it. Okay, Rocco, when it flies, you have to try catching it. Okay, so it's rock hunting. I believe so. But that was funny. Oh, yo-yo. Don't touch it. Bro, there's 2 at a time popping. Or no, 3 at a time. Okay. Okay, your thing's ready. I'm gonna... Pop. This one won't work. I can use this. What the big one pop? Oh no! We're doing nothing. Huh?